Hello there folks and welcome back. My name's Stephen Bresno and today we're reviewing this awesome pointer Sport TEK TEK SCT series over and under sporting shotgun. This shotgun comes with a 30-inch wide high raised ribbed barrel with extended chokes, 5 extended chokes, a oil rubbed Turkish walnut stock, an adjustable riser or cheek rest, and a beautiful hefty thick rubber recoil pad. It has a beautiful, like I said, Turkish walnut stock, nice knurling job in the palm swell area, beautiful, feels great in the hand. Comes with an easily adjustable cheek riser or comb. You adjust 2 little set screws here. You can set it in just the place you want and add washers that come with the stock so that it looks nice and stays in place. Coming forward to the metal on it, it's all beautiful. It has a beautiful black finish on it, is fully blued. It's very weather and rust and corrosion resistance. I've had this out in the spring turkey season. We took, oh my goodness, among our team like 7 turkeys this year. So just an excellent rifle. Of course, has a fiber optic front sight. Comes with a choke adjustment tool or choke removal tool as well. Like I said, 30 inches. It comes with the C, IC, M, IM, and F chokes. Let's go ahead and see how it looks taken down. So you can simply pull this lever right here and the Turkish walnut forend comes right off nice and easily. Push forward or right on the lever, which by the way, the lever's easy, and the barrel end comes forward. All nice, high quality metal work on it, just looks excellent. Now let's go ahead. This is the tricky part for me for whatever reason. I can never seem to get this right. Like, it just goes right back in like that, very easily. Make sure this is on there. Give it a good little stiff push, and it locks right back in place. Anyways, just a beautiful, gorgeous rifle, as you can see, or I should say shotgun. This feels absolutely great in the hand, has great balance, just feels so natural. And with this ultra wide raised rib, it's just super easy to get your cheek and your head in the correct position to make those quick shots on clays. The lever right here, push it over. It's very easy to manipulate, has a nice big flange on it, so it's not difficult to operate at all. Folds down. It's a little stiff because it's still relatively new, even though it's been used a lot on turkeys. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the trigger now. Of course, I made sure it was empty. To put the safety on, you simply push it forward, or excuse me, to remove the safety. And it has a little selection switch right here. You can turn it to the right or the left to select which barrel you want to fire on the first trigger pull. To the left is the top barrel, and to the right is the lower barrel. But anyways, let's go ahead and see how this gold-plated trigger feels. Just beautiful. Just a tiny bit of creep, very nice, clean, crisp break, a tiny bit of over travel. Now let's see how much it actually, the pull weight on it is. Now you gotta remember, this is a 12 gauge shotgun. So it breaks at about 5 3/4 to 5.5 pounds. So not bad at all for a shotgun that's purpose designed is shooting clays. But anyways, go ahead and check out this awesome pointer Sport TEK over and under if you're looking for a budget friendly shotgun that's going to fit the bill and do everything you like better than you can.